Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now look at the board everyone. Look at the picture. What is this? This is nest. What is this? It is a nest. What is the beginning sound of nest? Tell me student, what is the beginning sound of nest? Nest. Nest. What is the beginning sound of nest? Okay student, now I will tell you how to write in lines. First count the lines. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines? 4 lines. Now write in 2 lines. Center 2 lines. 1, 2. इन वाली 2 lines पे हम लिखेंगे. Start from second line. Come down and down. Go up. Make a hum. And turn a little. Again I will tell you, come down, go up, make a hum, turn a little. Like which sound is this? Okay, student, now open your English reader. Open page number 18. Look and say. N. Letter is N. Sound is Sound is net. Newspaper. Nail. Nose. Nest. Nail clipper. Okay, now tell me which animal lives in nest. कौन सा एनिमल इनमें से नेस्ट में रहता है? प्लेक्ट्रिस. राइटिंग एन और लेटर इज एन. साउंड इज